Good afternoon, all the first year students. Now today we will discuss the new topic of carbohydrate chapter, asymmetric carbon atom. Now discuss today first topic, asymmetric carbon atom. Now asymmetric carbon atom. A carbon having the valency, how much carbon having the valency? Carbon having the valency, it should be the carbon having the valency is the 4. Now carbon is valency 4 and the carbon joined by different group. This carbon is joined different group, that carbon is called as the asymmetric carbon atom. The carbon atom to which 4 different atoms group, to which different atom group of atom are attached is called a symmetric carbon atom. A carbon joined the 4 different group. Such carbon is called as the asymmetric. Now, for example, carbon having the full valency joined the 4. A, B, C is the 4 different group. It is not same. For example, another example, amino acids COOH, H, CH3 and NH2. Now the amino acid is showing asymmetric carbon. Such carbon is joined 4 different group, not similar group. Such carbon is called as asymmetric carbon atom. Okay. Now next part, isomerisms. How we show the isomers? Now those carbon is show asymmetric carbon atom. Such compound is show the isomers or isomerisms. The how कैसे देखो, जो कार्बन में asymmetric carbon atom means they are having the 4 different groups. Such carbon is called as the asymmetric carbon atom. In isomerism, the compound having the asymmetric carbon atom, such compound show the isomers, that show the isomerisms. Now see the presence of the a symmetric carbon atom allow the formation of isomers. See, the presence of asymmetric carbon atom, that is a property of isomerism. The compound having the symmetric carbon atom that form the isomers, they allow the formation of isomers. The compound have the compound have the compound which have the compound which have the same structural formula but differ only in configuration and are called stereoisomers. Now the isomerisms. The presence of asymmetric carbon atom allow the formation of isomers. The asymmetric carbon atom, the carbon having the 4 different such compound show the isomerisms. But in the one they are having that compound having the same structural formula but different in the configurations. Are called as stereoisomers. Okay, the compound having the same structural formula but configuration are different, they are called as stereoisomers. Now see, okay, next point, a carbon atom is said to be a symmetric. It's said to be asymmetric when its mirror image are non-superimposable and each other. These mirror image should be non-superimposable to the each other. This type of compound called as these type of compound are called enantiomer. Enantiometric pairs. उसको क्या बोलते हैं? Enantiometric compound. A carbon atom is said to be asymmetric when its mirror image is non-superimposable to each other. This compound called as the enantiomers. The enantiomer is called as the enantiomer. Enantiomer कैसे? अभी see the mirror. ये it's a mirror. Now you can, when you stand in front of the mirror for looking, which figure is see? You see the yourself, your figure, not the different. Same अपनी image अपने को दिखती. Similarly, the carbon atom is a symmetric carbon atom. Asymmetric, 4 different carbon atom joined together, 4 different group joined together in the one carbon atom. That is called the asymmetric carbon atom. Okay. Now this mirror image. अभी इसकी mirror image यहाँ पे क्या आएंगी? ये that same mirror image, that pair is called as enantiometric pair. ये pair को क्या बोलते हैं? Enantiometric pair, that having the property asymmetric. See why the asymmetric carbon atom, ये asymmetric carbon atom चाहिए, that show the enantiometric pairs. Asymmetric carbon 4 different group. आईने के सामने image रख दिया, same image is observed. This are called as, this image is non-superimposable to each other. This image is called the non-superimposable to the each other. That's why this type of compound called enantiometric pair. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Enantiometric pairs. Okay. The enantiometric have identical physical properties. Now these are having the enantiometric pairs is have identical physical property. These are identical physical property, but they interact differently with polarized light. That is this is the property of enantiometric pairs. Enantiometric pairs are physically property are the same, identical. These are the enantiometric pair. The compound show the physical property, it should be the same, identical or same, but interaction of plain polarized light is the sodium light. Either compound should be rotated in the plain polarized light in polarimeter, it show the different, compounds. Okay, now are you understand what is the enantiometric pairs? The enantiometric pairs are physical property are same but different in the plane polarized light. Optical activity of sugar. Next point, the optical. Now earlier you can see the compound enantiometric pair physical property of same in polarized light but chemically is different. Now you can see the chemically the optical activity of sugar. The optical activity is a characteristic feature of compound with a asymmetric carbon atom. Now see the optical activity show the compound, their characteristic feature must be the asymmetric. Those compound having the asymmetric carbon, it can be rotated by it can show the optical activity of compound when a beam of polarized light in polarimeter is pass through when beam of polarized light is passed through a solution of an optical isomers Now see, optical activity of the sugar. The optical activity is characterized by the feature the compound shows the compulsory it must be the compound having the asymmetric. जो कंपाउंड है उसमें असिमेट्रिक कार्बन एटम चाहिए, वही ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी बताता है. वो कैसे बताता है? व्हेन द बीम ऑफ पोलराइज्ड लाइट इज पास थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द ऑप्टिकल आइसोमर. जो सॉल्यूशन है उसमें optical isomers यानी those having the asymmetric carbon atom, this pass through the plane polarized light of solution of an isomers. Now see, it will be rotate to the right or to left. एक तो यू कैन मूव ऑन द राइट साइड, यू कैन मूव ऑन द लेफ्ट. दाएं करो और बाएं करो, दोनों आप उसको घुमा सकते हैं. प्लेन पोलर इज दिस ट्यूब कैन बी रोटेट इन द प्लेन पोलराइज बोथ साइड, राइट और लेफ्ट. दाएं और बाएं कई भी साइड में घुमा सकते हैं. इट कैन रोटेट द बोथ साइड, राइट और लेफ्ट. अपने कंपाउंड अभी देखो कैसे. देन नेक्स्ट द compound which can rotation of polarized light to the राइट साइड. कहाँ वो रोटेट किया उसको? द कंपाउंड कैन बी रोटेट इन प्लेन पोलर लाइट टू द राइट हैंड साइड इज कॉल्ड एज डेक्स्ट्रो rotatory. Okay, see, earlier I told you when the beam of polarized light is passed through the solution optical isomer, it will be rotate right or left. Now is the first, the compound can be rotate plane polarized to the right side is called as dextrorotatory. And second, the rotation is called the dextrorotatory, is always denoted as positive sign. क्या बताता है? It show the, sometime you can show the clockwise direction. The compound you can rotate in the clockwise direction or right side. That call as the dextrorotatory, denoted as a positive sign. Next, the compound rotation of the beam to the left side is called levorotatory. Levo is called levorotatory, is called the levorotatory. See, the compound, again I told you the optical isomerisms. The optical activity is a characteristic features of the compound with a asymmetric carbon atom. Optical activity of sugar, उसमें चाहिए असिमेट्रिक कार्बन एटम, इसीलिए वो एक्टिविटी बताएंगे. नेक्स्ट इज व्हेन द बीम ऑफ पोलराइज्ड लाइट इट पास थ्रू द सॉल्यूशन sugar solution placed in the polarimeter in the long tube, and the light is passed in polarimeter, and this compound must be show the optical isomers. This the compound, it can rotate right or left, दोनों साइड, clockwise और anti clockwise direction. A compound which can be rotate polarized light में rotate करेंगे which side? The right hand side, that is called as dextrorotatory, or compound rotate right या clockwise direction is called as the dextrorotatory, and dextrorotatory is always denoted by the positive side. The rotation of the beam of the compound rotation of beam plane polarized light show in the left side or anti-clockwise side, it can show the levorotatory, always is denoted as a negative. Okay. Now example, अभी एक this glucose solution है. Now see the glucose solution rotate in the plane polarized light, and then how the glucose, see that now see it, the glucose solution is rotate in the right side. अभी ये right side में बताया, that solution is क्या बोलते हैं, dextrorotatory. That's why that D glucose show positive because it is rotate in the plane polarized in the right hand side, in plane polarized right. That's why. And now here is rotate in the left hand side. Now see, it rotate left hand side. अभी ये left के, ये this should be turn right or this should be the left. The changes. That's why is D indicated dextrorotatory, that is called L is indicated levorotatory, that a glucose is levorotatory denoted as negative sign. These are the examples. See, it can be rotated in the right hand side, it can be rotated in the left hand side. Okay, then the next point, now we will discuss the next point. When okay, next when इसको क्या बोलते हैं, D indicate the dextrorotatory, that show the positive, L that is show the left side, it show the negative. When the equal amount, अभी देखो, when the equal amount of dextrorotatory and levorotatory isomer are present the resulting the mixture has no optical activity when the equal amount of dextrorotatory and the levorotatory isomer present, the resulting mixture has no optical activity since the activities of each isomer cancel. Very simple. Hence it is called as racemic mixture. What is a racemic mixture? Question asks. Now you can see how explain. Those compound having the equal amount of dextrorotatory and the levorotatory isomers is present, and it has no optical activity. That mixture has no optical activity. Why? Because plus minus is equal to 0. Oh, they are cancelled to each other. Now next word is their activity is cancelled to each other. Plus minus, देखो, these are the left side, or these are the right, and these are the left, and this should be the cancel to the optical activity, and such compound is called as racemic mixture. दो compound optical activity बताता ही नहीं, वो compound को racemic mixture बोलते हैं. Why? Because it not show, because such a compound is having equal amount of dextrorotatory. वो compound में equal amount 50% dextrose होगा तो 50% levorotatory isomers present. Finally what happened? The optical activity नहीं बताता. क्यों नहीं बताता? Because they cancel to each other ना. optical isomers activity जो बताएगा वो cancel कर देंगे. plus minus equal to 0 is the rule of mathematics. वैसा ही left and right में equal आएगा, that should be the 0. The optical activity actually it should show the it has no optical activity. वो optical activity नहीं बताएगा, and such compound is called as racemic mixture, क्योंकि वो activity cancel कर देता है एक मिक्की, and such compound is called as the racemic mixture is most important. Okay, so many time asked in the examination. Now the next topic we'll see. Okay, ये हो गया optical active racemic mixture. Now the next question is how the optical activity is measured. Where is the pen? Okay, तो ये हो गया अभी अपना ये optical activity you are studied. Now the next question is how is the measure optical activity. The optical rotation is measured by polarimeter. I told you it can be measured earlier. The optical rotation is measured by an instrument is called polarimeter.